Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. Before we dive into the details, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing for more helpful tips. So, let's jump right in. First up, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. With VS Code open, we'll start off by creating a new file. Simply go to the top menu, click on File, and then choose New File. This is your canvas for JavaScript magic. Next step, let's make sure Visual Studio Code knows we're working with JavaScript. Check the language mode at the bottom right of your window. It might be set to plain text by default. Click there and switch it to JavaScript. This unlocks all those handy coding features like auto-completion and syntax highlighting specifically for JavaScript. Now it's coding time! Start typing your JavaScript code. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, VS Code makes it a smooth ride with its intelligent code completion and error detection. Don't forget to save your code. Hit Ctrl+S on Windows and Linux, or Command+S on macOS. Ensure your file ends with a .js extension. Want to test your JavaScript? Here's a pro tip. Install the Code Runner extension from the Extensions Marketplace in VS Code. It allows you to run your JavaScript code directly in the editor, and there you have it. You're all set to develop in JavaScript using Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you out, please show some love with a like and consider subscribing for more content. Keep coding and see you in the next one.